Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. So I made a video earlier about switching to the prop firm. Officially switched, playing around with it. I like it. I'd say my only complaint is fills. It is a little bit tough to get filled. I think the fact that it's a demo account, not like real live data, live fills, that kind of a thing. I think plays a factor, but it does seem like it's a lot harder to get fills than like DAS Trader, for example, obvious reasons. But just in terms of like, even though price is kind of where the ass, or wherever your order is, it seems like price has to fully flush that level before you get filled, meaning like the last price has to touch that level in order for you to get filled. Which is completely fine, I think, for the most part. The only annoying thing is like I don't really have any hotkey to like get out immediately. But anyways, that's like besides the point. I'm like ranting at this point. Overall, I like this. One thing to note, um, anytime you take a trade that isn't with like 10 cents of profit or loss, okay, yeah, then it's like kind of invalidated. So if I win a trade and the winning trade does not yield 10 cents of profit per share, it's invalidated. So it says here there should be at least 10 cents between position open and close price. So in my, account, it shows that my balance is like 5058, but actually it's 5028 because of some trades being invalidated and whatnot. Um, so as far as the trades I took since last showing the video, I took Rhyme when it popped up. You could see here kind of my sells. So I opened the position at 226, added at 231, added at 241, covered at 218. Then BNAI today was popping, so opened my short position at 33.43, closed it at 32.49 for some profit. Um, and MIMI. So I opened the position at 4.0, added at 4.5. It would have been nice to get some fills higher, like 4.8 and 5. It did tap those levels, but I was playing the breakout. It didn't get there, and ultimately closed at 3.8 because that was the stock kind of popped up pretty hard. If I have the chart pulled up here. So this is the 3-minute chart. Basically, I'll do the 1 minute just for reference. Where are we here? So we had like this shorted area in the 3.9s. It broke up above that and never really retested. If you want to count this as a retest, you could. But it came up, came up, came up in this kind of, if we look at this chart, this is pretty bullish price action, right? But I entered the position in kind of this 4.0 area, trying to play it down. And then added at 4.5 when it got there. And then you see here it tapped 4.9, here it tapped 4.8-ish. And then it sold off. I was trying to add on the break up because I was pretty light at that point. And I wanted a better average cost. Didn't end up doing it, sold off. And I could have held, it looks like, into the 3.3s. I think my average cost was 4.2, so it still wouldn't have been validated. But yeah. Anyways, um, things to keep in mind. I need to kind of be wary of that 10 cent whenever I'm closing a position in profit. To one, not take trades where the ATR is low, meaning it will take a big move relative to the stock, um, for it to move 10 cents. And I think the other thing too is just like being patient to kind of let trades play out instead of covering early for whatever reason. Um, so yeah, this is, I guess, see, I would really only count the beginning of this week, kind of the main, I guess, start of the challenge. I was kind of just practicing before that. Um, I would count this trade, this February 20th trade. Um, but yeah, I mean, past couple of trades, I would be up more if I had gotten a proper hang of the software, and also if I didn't take that trade today with MIMI. If I was able to scale into BNAI more, and then I also saw INBS pop. I think those two would have been much better for my for this challenge as like candidates to trade than MIMI. I think I should just be skipping stocks like MIMI entirely, where the ATR is just not high enough. So yeah, thanks for watching this recap. I did get a request to show how I use ATR in my trading from my Discord, the homie from Discord. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, check out the link in the description. Um, I will post that in a different video, I think. I want to write it out, make it very clear, um, to kind of show examples as well. So make sure to subscribe, stay tuned for that. And yeah, hope you all have a blessed Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Peace.